Hi everybody, this is Alyssa with Full Spectrum Laser. Today I'm going to be showing you the PS20. The PS20 is our 20 by 12 inch Pro Series CO2 laser. It comes standard with a 45 watt tube. The 45 watt tube is capable of cutting a 1/4 inch materials depending on some variables. It has a 20 by 12 inch cuttable area. You can easily increase this with pass-through doors. The pass-through can fit up to 3 inch thick material. It includes a honeycomb and a built-in knife edge. The motorized Z table allows for thicker and larger materials to be cut and engraved. With a Z height of about 9 inches, this allows for rotary attachments to be inserted. The PS20 has a built-in touchscreen display to control all aspects of your laser, from starting and stopping jobs to setting up a network connection. And there you have it, that was our PS20. If you have any other questions, you can always visit us at our website, fslaser.com. Until next time, keep making.